Please consult with your physician before starting an exercise program. Welcome. I did 3 tire exercises that kicked my butt. First, I'm going to show you what I did, and then I'm going to explain to you the benefits. All 3 of these tire exercises build muscle, burn fat, and get your heart rate up. Tire flipping is great for building muscle and getting your cardio work in at the same time. It's a win-win. Tire flipping is also a great way to work the posterior muscles like your hamstrings, glutes, and back. Also, this is a terrific exercise for your core muscles. Tire slamming improves explosive strength, eye-hand coordination, and core strength and stability. The other big benefit for me is mental. When I'm done, all the problems of the world just seem to fade away and the birds start chirping.